This is so amazing, guys. Look at that. We had heaps of birds, and they're not scared anymore because they used to eat in here. They always come here every day. We got heaps of birds around, and over there we had lots of different birds coming here. We had magpies, rosellas, parrots, and cockatoos, and some other birds. We had wild crested pigeon as well. Oops. Look at them, they're playing. I was just standing in front of them, and they're not scared anymore. And while I am busy on my garden, look at that. While I'm busy on my veggie garden, I had to rest because look at that. There's lots of birds. So I had to enjoy watching them. So they love my place. Even though I walk around them, they don't fly. Because as I said, they are used to in our place. Oops, there is another bird trying to chase them, that's why. They try to fly. Most of them stay. Some of it are in the tree. Yes, they eat the flower on this tree as well. And look at that. It's amazing having those birds in our garden. It's very relaxing. Yay. So we spend money for their food, but it doesn't matter because we love the birds. We don't mind spending money for them. Look at that. There are wild parrots and wild rosellas, and there's a lot of more wild birds coming around here. Every day, this is the scenery of our garden. So I had to continue what I am doing in the garden. Oops. They're chasing each other. Hello. So while I'm doing my gardening here, because I'm doing my veggie garden, and what they're doing is they were watching me. So this is what I've been doing, and I had to rest. I had to rest and watch all these birds. Look at them, they're so beautiful. There's more there. Up the tree. Sometimes we had 17 parrots. Before we only have one or two, and then we try to put some bird seeds in the table, and then in 1 week we had 4, and then now we have a lot of birds. Sorry for that. Look at that. Whoa. There's more coming. They're not really scared because I am just here in front of them, watching them. So they don't fly. I am just here, look. So we put some buckets there too, and cardboard box. We had some bird seeds there too for the big birds, for the cockatoos. There's more birds there. And we had also possums here. So I put some food for the possums because the possums live just in front of our house. There is a big tree there. So every night the possums get down and get some food. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some food outside for the possums as well. not only for the birds. So there's one possums already died, and I buried them in the garden, and one king parrot. I think the wild cat attacked the parrot at night time, and yes, I gave them a proper burial in my garden. So I had to continue doing my garden now. This is my garden. I'm going to update you all my garden areas. And that's my husband helping me out there. And what I do is I collect those leaves. See? And I am going to put them in my garden for better soil.